Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Rider, Snake, and Child. Gemini, maybe in your circumstances, maybe in your relationship, or maybe in your career circumstances, guys, you have some preconceived ideas or beliefs about something, and you just follow that, or you are you have complete faith in your way of doing things, maybe, guys, and you stick to those rules and ideals. But today, your circumstance demands something more, a better understanding, a better clarity. So, if you want success, if you want things to go in the right way, guys, you must keep your eyes open for opportunities to understand your circumstance in a better way. Maybe if you have people who are telling you to tell you something important, you must be very careful, because for some of you, this person may be really concerned about you. They may have honest intentions towards you. But for some of you, people you are working with, or the people in your personal life, maybe they may act as your friend or a family member, and they may look like someone with honest intentions, but in truth, they are someone here to just charm you, try to make use of your skills and talents. So you need to be really careful today, guys. Gemini, you need to be really careful with this person. So if you do not trust someone, if you feel that you have not known them for a long time and you cannot rely on this person, you must stay away from this person, guys, because they cannot be trusted and their intentions may not be good today, Gemini. So even in this relationship, if you are in a new relationship with this person, you must maintain your clarity, and you must maintain your you should not reveal your heart, or you should not reveal some important information about you, because this person may try to use you, guys. You need to be careful. But Gemini, I also see that there is something in you, some kind of an inspiration or confidence overwhelming you, and you feel that you can handle any situation with clarity. So it may be some kind of a positive emotional change in you, or it may mean some kind of a positive good news coming, some kind of a good circumstance unfolding in your life today, guys, Gemini. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Anchor. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a deeper commitment, more responsibility, more more familiarity with this person. So you are building on that understanding, building a strong foundation. Maybe for some of you, I see you getting engaged or getting married to this person. So some kind of a good news or A good positive transformation is what I see, guys, with this card. And you are celebrating this love, you are celebrating this union with this person. So, some kind of positive change, maybe for some of you, you would have thought of them as someone that you cannot trust, but this person may be truly honest and they want commitment or marriage with you guys. So, for your career situation, we have lilies. So, looks like in your work situation, Gemini, things are falling into place bit by bit. So, whatever difficulties or troubles you were seeing in your work, maybe some delays or suspensions, whatever it was, or people trying to compete with you, people really jealous of you, whatever it was, everything is going to change, guys, and you are going to see happiness and success in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Gemini, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe you have a very loving and caring family and people who trust you, people who are truly concerned about you, and you need to appreciate the things in your life, guys. Maybe this family, the people you have, and the blessings you have. When you appreciate the blessings you have already, and when you are happy for whatever is there with you, you are going to, have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart. And that happiness is going to radiate in all the facets of your life. So when you are feeling really blessed for this friendship you have with the people you love, maybe your parents, sibling, or friends, or it may be even people in your work, the friendship you have, and when you find that happiness with them, when you try to find the blessing in any situation, just like finding the gem in the dirt and a star in the dark night. So whatever good quality these people have, or whatever goodness you feel from them, when you appreciate that, you are going to be more stronger, you are going to feel more strengthened. And maybe each and every one of us, we have the darker aspects of human nature and the brighter aspects. We have the negative things like anger and resentment inside us, but we should not reject that, guys. We must just accept it with honesty. When we do that, we are going to see so much happiness and abundance flowing in our situation. And we are going to strengthen the bond we have with the people we love. And the way we are cheerful, the way we are happy with the things we have today. Maybe appreciate the blessings that we have. Many more blessings are or will flow towards us, guys, when we are happy for what we have today. And when we are doing good, we are only getting goodness back to us. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, this card, let's see what it is. And it is bronzite. So it is a crystal spirit card, guys. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in this relationship, you were betrayed in the past and it was too much for you to handle, a lot of pain, a lot of sadness. But this crystal spirit reminds you that you can be much more wiser, you can be much more stronger today by extending trust once again, maybe in this relationship. But it may be quite challenging based on your past experience. You feel that you cannot trust anyone. But this crystal spirit cards tell you that you need to be really mindful of the signs. Maybe sometimes you may see sign for you to move back in a relationship, maybe take a step back and nurture yourself. When you see that, you must do that. But this card asks you to trust this person again, maybe give them another chance. It may be the past person or it may be this present person. So your past should not change the way you are seeing your present love, your present situation. So you need to be true to yourself, true, honest to yourself first. So what you truly feel in your heart of hearts, when you do that, you are going to be honest with that other person. And when you build that loving relationship with yourself, you will be able to build that loving and respectful relationship with another person. And remember, guys, you are always protected when you are divinely directed. So you must do the right thing you feel deep down in your heart. So whatever you feel is the honest choice or that honest decision, you must stand for that, guys. So your loyalty and steadfastness is what will be rewarded by the universe. So universe is here to guide you if you are really truthful. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you guys. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.